Good morning everyone. Our today's topic is present perfect continuous tense. The structure of present perfect continuous is subject, has or have, been, fourth verb, object, since or for, plus time. Has or have is used according to subject. If our subject is singular, we use has, and with plural subject, have is used. Students, also remember this. Since is used with point of time. Point of time, I mean since morning, since evening, since 4 o'clock, since 5 o'clock, like this, when exact time is there. And for is used for period of time. Period means the duration is here for 2 minutes, for 5 minutes, for 1 year, for 1 week, for 1 month, like this. For example, the children have been playing football since morning. The children, our subject is plural, so we have used here have. The children have been playing, object is there, then since morning, point of time is there. In negative sentences, we use not after helping verb. At first subject, then has or have, not, been, verb plus ing, then object, since and for plus time. For example, the child has not been crying since morning. In this example, there is no object. Object is used if needed. The child is singular, we have used here has. The child has not been crying since morning. In interrogative sentences, we use helping verb before the subject, has or have, then subject, been, fourth verb, object if any, then since and for, plus time and question mark at the end. Have they been playing since morning? And question mark. Helping verb is there, subject is there, been, verb or ing, since, morning and question mark at the end. In interrogative negative, we use has or have before the subject and not is used after that. Has or have, then subject, then not, been, and the remaining structure is same. For example, have they not been playing for 2 hours and question mark. Here we have used period of time for 2 hours. Students, we can also write this in this way. As I say, haven't they been playing for 2 hours? Here we are using not with helping verb. Haven't they been playing for 2 hours? Yes, it's the structure of present perfect continuous tense, and now I am going to tell you about its uses. First one is To denote an action which has started in past but still continue. To denote that action which has started some time ago, it means which has started in past but still continue. For example, the gardener has been watering the plants for half an hour. It means half an hour ago he started to water the plants and still he is watering them. The gardener has been watering the plants for half an hour. Second use is, if the sentence begins with since when or for how long. If the sentence begins with these phrases, since when or for how long, these phrases also denote time. For example, since when have you been waiting for me and question mark. We can take example of this one also. For how long have you been suffering from fever and question mark. Yes, these are the two uses of present perfect continuous tense. And now I am going to tell you about the difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous tense. Difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous tense. Students, we know in present continuous tense we use this tense to denote that action which is continue, and present perfect continuous tense is also used to denote that action which is continue. The difference is, for example, he is playing, and the next one is he has been playing since morning. I hope with these examples it must be clear to you what is the difference. As he is playing, work is continue. Next is he has been playing since morning. The difference is the time of starting the action is not given in this sentence. In present continuous, time is not given when the action or when the work was started. But in present perfect continuous, time is given there. Next one is comparison between present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect, we know the action has been completed, and in present perfect continuous tense, the action has started but still continue. The difference is, for example, she has slept for 3 hours. See the next example, she has been sleeping for 3 hours. No doubt the sentences are same. She has slept for 3 hours. 4 plus time is there. She has been sleeping for 3 hours. 4 plus time is there. But both sentences are correct. If you are filling the blanks, both are correct. According to the sense of the sentence, you have to fill it. She has slept. Maybe she is not sleeping at this time. So we have written she has slept for 3 hours. And she has been sleeping. This sentence shows that she is still sleeping. 3 hours ago she has slept and still she is sleeping. Students, with this our present perfect continuous tense is complete, and even our present tense is complete with this one. Okay, thank you.